Hi guys, I'm Jibran Khan and you're watching me only and only on Filmy Beat. But मैं अभी single हूँ तो आप कभी भी आ जाओ मैं रुका हूँ. Let's go out on a date. But yes, his family has come here. Gauri ma'am has come here. Suhana and the kids have come here.
Yeah.
So that is a win for me, bro. Like they at least made time and they came here. A manifestation where I want Shah Rukh sir to just stop by one night and pick up a cup of coffee. Inshallah.
But a lot of people started comparing you with Varun Dhawan.
That is a great thing. I think that is one of the best compliments I could get. And he was somebody who did tell me that Jabran, just go for it. And I think that gave me some sense of motivation to just. That was Karan sir.
So, what kind of a girl you would like to date?
You know, who understands values of families and friends around.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू फिल्मी वीक. दिस इज मुर्तजा इकबाल और आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसे एक्टर है जिनको हमने बचपन में बड़े क्यूटली जना गना मना गाते हुए देखा था.
खड़ा हो जाओ.
और अब वो इश्क विश्क से हम सबका दिल जीत लिया है उन्होंने. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नन अदर देन जिब्रान खान, हु इज हियर विद अस टुडे.
Thank you, Murtaza.
Hi
Thank
Jibran,
you so
welcome to
much.
Filmy Week.
Thank you so
I
much.
still can't believe I'm the same kid that I saw in K3G.
Good. I haven't grown up. I'm feeling great. It's making me feel younger.
Yes,
Yes,
that's
thank
good. So Jibran, first of
जी.
all मुझे ये जानना है कितनी लड़कियों के DMs आए कि भाई सानिया को छोड़ो, हमसे प्यार करो, हम आपको
अरे
ध्यान से रखेंगे.
boss, actually, Murtaza, to be very honest, I've got a mix of a lot of messages, DMs. My social was being handled by my team,
हाँ.
but now since 3-4 days, I've been taking it in my hands and I've actually been reading. Yes, बहुत messages आए कि सानिया को you should have been with Sanya, this that and all, but मेरा reply वही है कि यार actually अगर आप देखने जाओ तो राघव और सानिया were actually made for each other.
हाँ.
But मैं अभी single हूँ तो आप कभी भी आ जाओ मैं रुका हूँ. Let's go out on a date.
Yeah, why out on a date? Grounded, you have
Yes,
your own
Grounded.
coffee.
Yes,
यहीं
of
बुला
course,
दोगे
of
आप.
course. We will meet here at Grounded at my little cute cafe at Bandstand. And yes, I'm very happy. I'm getting a lot of love, a lot of attention from so many people. Even my team keeps forwarding me just a basic comment section me and
हाँ.
all that. So I feel there is some kind of recognition and some appreciation. And I couldn't ask for more. Allah has been very kind. I've waited a very, very long time for this, and I feel my dream is something I'm living right now. It's a very cliche statement, Murtaza, but I actually feel people should dream
Yeah.
because they really do come true. Of course, God knows what's best for you at the right time. For me, this was the right time. This film was written for me. Sahir was written for me. Whether a small role, big role, it doesn't matter as long as even we
Yeah.
started the interview and you told me that Sahir's character was so nice. That is a win for me, yaar. And I feel I just hope, inshallah, I get more work to do and I can keep entertaining, and that's about it.
But I would like to know, Jibran, was
Yes.
that did you know from first कि यार this is going to be my screen time? Because as I have written in my review also, and I don't mind saying it on camera that so in the Starcast you were the best, and we all wanted to see you more.
Thank
So
you.
did you know कि okay, this is going to be my screen time?
You know what? To be honest, it wasn't like that. But I feel when you sit with an entire film on the edit table, there are a lot of constraints when it comes to the makers because you have to keep a film crisp.
Yeah.
The mindset of people has become shorter. We live in a generation where we have 10 seconds real time. So I think the film was also made for a younger generation, keeping that in mind. तो वो I think concise करते करते it just became crisper. But on the contrary, I feel it's a win for me because whatever scenes I had, they were quite impactful, like you said, and it's all an advantage. I don't think so. It was done in a way to like purpose or something. It was just, I think it was for the benefit of the film because when you see the film, it's a young generation film. It has to be crisper, it has to be fast. So I think that was the mindset, and I think that went well. Yeah, so I'm good. I'm fine. No complaints.
Yeah. But a lot of people started comparing you with Varun Dhawan कि वो उनको जो Student of the Year में देखा था उनकी झलक आप में देखने लग मिली है. तो how do you feel about that?
That is a great thing. I think that is one of the best compliments I could get because saying that Varun is one of my favorite actors.
Yeah.
I really look up to him. I love the way that man has his charisma on every time. And just to be compared to him is a wonderful thing. Yeah. I think comparisons are great for newcomers because it gives us that validation and that push to do better. Saying that, of course, I can never be Varun, but definitely I can work hard and make my own name and try to have the filmography which he's had.
Yeah.
And he is so loved. I think he was shooting here a couple of months ago at this place behind.
Yeah.
And he came here, and there were so many. My whole staff was so happy to see him. So that is what we live for, yeah. To be very honest, it's not
Yeah.
about all of this. At the end of the day, you want people to like you. It comes
Correct.
down to that. If people love you, people are giving you the respect. You won everything. You won, brother. You won.
Yeah.
You won.
So I would like to know, of course, जैसे मैंने शुरुआत ही की थी कि वो
जी।
क्यूट सा बच्चा जो जनगण मन दिख रहा था.
जी।
Have you, like, after being an adult, have you spoken to maybe Shah Rukh sir or Kajol or Karan to just know that you're planning to, of course, go into acting full fledged? ऐसे कभी उनसे कुछ बात
Yes,
हुई है?
of course, Karan sir is somebody who's been there for the last few years of my
Yeah.
life. He's one of the nicest people in our industry. I can vouch and say this, that if you call him and if you need his help, वो बंदा आप अपनी ताकत में जो भी कर सकते हैं वो करेंगे आपके लिए. He, in fact, I remember when I was about to sign Ishquish, I had called him up, and he was somebody who did tell me that, Jabran, just go for it. Don't even have a second thought. In today's day and age, when producers are thinking twice before
Yeah.
putting money on newer talents, there is somebody so senior like Ramesh ji who's believing in you and who wants to make a film with you. Just go for it. And I think that gave me some sense of motivation to just say yes to everything. And yeah, that was Karan sir. But yeah, talking about Shah Rukh sir, no, I haven't. But I made sure that my message reaches to him that listen, there is a boy here who's grown up loving you,
Yeah.
who's grown up fanboying you. He's making his debut now. He's worked with you. I just wanted him to know that. I didn't want any post,
Yeah.
I didn't expect any message from him, but I just wanted him to know that there is a film coming out like Ishquish Rebound. There is a boy who's worked with you, and he just wants you to know that he's here, he's begun his journey, and that message did reach him. So that
Okay,
was one of
nice.
the high points in the promotions where I got to know, and yeah, I was very happy.
Correct. And plus कभी चलते फिरते वो आए हैं आपके कैफे में. मन्नत is just like 2
यार,
buildings away.
मुर्तजा,
या फिर यहाँ से हाई बाय किया
To
आपने
be
कभी
very
उनको?
honest, मैं अपने स्टाफ को भी बोलता हूँ, I think I started grounded only and only because of that शायद कभी वो कॉफी पीने के चक्कर में यहाँ आ जाए. But yes, his family has come here. Gauri ma'am has come here. Suhana and the kids have come here.
Yeah.
So that is a win for me, bro. Like, they at least made time and they came here. And by themselves. Like, I didn't need to tell them who I am, what I am. They just came here. But yeah, that is a manifestation where I want Shah Rukh sir to just stop by one night and pick up a cup of coffee. Inshallah.
Correct. Yes. Of course, जैसे शुरुआत में आपने कह दिया कि आप single हो. So what kind of a girl you would like to date?
Ah, okay. So my kind of girl is somebody, one, who's very ambitious. I need somebody to have their own life.
Yeah.
I need somebody who has, who understands values of families and friends around. Because I have only that in my life. I have two best friends and I have my close family, my two sisters who are married, my mom, dad. That is my life. That there's nobody else in that. And the third thing, just somebody who can understand the lifestyle I have, especially professionally, because it's a very hard industry we live
Yeah.
in. It's not easy for the opposite person to understand the way we, our work timings, the people we interact with. Yeah, it's simple हो यार. मेरे को ज़्यादा है नहीं, बस कोई समझे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मस्ती हो, बस वही है.